Is the guy still in the truck?
Yeah.
What's he doing?
Daddy's.
Daddy's truck?
Yeah.
Well, what's Daddy's truck do? What do you do in Daddy's truck?
Movie.
You watch a movie?
Yeah.
Do you?
Truck.
In the truck?
Daddy.
Daddy.
Horn.
The horn blows?
Yeah.
Does it?
Yeah.
What's it say?
Beep, beep.
No way! What else do you do with the key? Do you do something with the key in Daddy's truck? What happens with the key? What's the key say? What's the key do? Beep beep.
Beep, beep.
Does the key do beep beep? Huh?
No.
What else happens with Daddy's truck? What else does Daddy's truck do?
Horse.
What?
Horse.
Which? Okay.
Touch.
Yeah?
Touch. Daddy touch.
Daddy touch the truck?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you drive the truck? Does Daddy let you drive the truck?
Mm-hmm.
How do you drive? Is that what you do? And you blow the horn. I saw you blow the horn. And what's the horn say again?
Beep, beep.
Beep beep. That's it. And you watch a movie. What movie do you watch in Daddy's truck? What movie do you watch?
Two.
Shrek?
Yes.
Oh, what's Shrek say?
Donkey.
Donkey? What else does he say?
Donkey.
Shut up. What's he say?
Shut up.
Shut up. Is that what the donkey says? Okay. Can you say bye, Nanny? Say bye, Nanny.
Bunny.
Talk at you later.